Are you moving to Nashville and looking for a new construction home? Today you're in luck. We are looking at a $2.5 million home in Westmead. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. All right, so behind me here is an absolutely gorgeous custom home, $2.5 million. We're about to go check it out. If this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, click the notification and the bell so you can stay ahead of what's happening here in Nashville. But this one is awesome here, so let's check it out. I'm gonna turn the camera that way so you can see this beauty. So you got a 3-car garage, as you can see there. And this one's on over just a little bit of an acre lot. You have 5 beds, 5.5 baths, a little over 5,000 square feet. And you're gonna wanna stay to the end so I can show you the screened-in porch. Probably my favorite thing in any house, the screened-in porch, peaceful backyard. Before we go in, I wanna share a little bit about this area. So Westmead, Hillwood is this area as well. You're just down Charlotte Pike. So Charlotte Pike runs right into downtown. Along Charlotte, you have just tons of restaurants, tons of shopping, grocery, all the things that you need are close by. You have West Park that's close by with a lot of shopping. There's a Costco in this area. This neighborhood here, it's an interesting one because you can see there's a house being built across the street. That's probably gonna be a $4 or $5 million home. There, 2 doors down is a brand new multi-million-dollar home. And then I don't know if you can see right behind me over here is a smaller brick home on a big lot. So Westmead has huge lots. What we're seeing is that some of these older brick homes are being torn down and they're building these massive giant houses, or people are just renovating those and staying in those too, because the older ranch style homes are beautiful as well. So but that's what you get in Westmead area. And you're also close to 40 West, and right now that's my favorite interstate, just because as far as traffic goes. That will probably change eventually. Comment below, what's your favorite part of the house? What do you think about it? Too expensive, too cheap? What do you think about just all the light fixtures and everything they did inside the house? I would love to hear your comments. I make these videos for you, and so I love hearing the feedback that you have on these houses. Let's go check it out. hope you enjoyed that tour of this beautiful home in Westmead. I'm standing out here in this screened-in porch, which is favorite thing about any house. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, I'm Scott Hardesty, and as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next homes here in Middle Tennessee. So whether you're moving from out of state or you already live here and are looking for your next home, we would love to help you. Call, text, schedule a Zoom call with me. I'll personally respond and would love to hear from you. And again, we're out here looking at these custom, unique properties just for people like you. So I hope you enjoy it. Comment below what's your favorite part about this house. Again, I'm a sucker for a screened-in porch, so this is probably my favorite area and how peaceful and quiet it is back here. But this is just a beautiful and very well-built house. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.